In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and recover deleted chats here on Instagram. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now keep in mind, if you permanently delete a chat inside of Instagram, you cannot restore it directly inside the app. However, you can actually get all of the data, which is going to include your message history. So open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner, and then tap the three lines up in the top right corner, and then from here you're going to want to hit Account Center up at the very top. Scroll down a little bit and you're going to see a tab for your information and permissions. Go ahead and select that and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. We're going to see a button to either export your information or download your information. Go ahead and select this, sign into your Instagram account or choose your Instagram account if needed, and then select the data that you want to download. And you could choose all your data or just messages. It really is up to you. Just make sure that you submit this request, and Instagram will then process it and send a download link to your email. Once you receive the file, open up that email, download it, open up the messages folder, and review that chat history. If the messages were included in your data archive, they're going to appear in this section. Now, if a message was unsent by the other person, it may not be recoverable. And if the chat was permanently deleted and not stored in the archive, it also has a chance that it will not be able to be restored. I would also recommend avoiding third-party apps that claim to recover messages because they often are scams and are going to cause you to lose your information. It really is as simple as that, though. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.